So Jill of all trades gives young women an opportunity to try the trade, get really hands-on and try welding, try carpentry, and try, something that they otherwise would not have been exposed to.
So having a safe space like this where they can go and literally do hands-on workshops and learn about what does the trade actually entail in a very safe environment, I think is absolutely essential to help encouraging women into the trades.
Oftentimes young women aren't able to see themselves in these roles. So being able to have this kind of exposure, even if it's multiple trades in one day, it allows them to see them within this role and allows them to make that career decision.
There's this whole thing called carpentry, welding, and working with wood, and I tried that and I thought that was amazing, and it was pretty awesome to work with things and make things on my own.
This also introduces like a whole bunch of girls to an experience they never thought they could do.
We make up almost 50% of the workforce, so why are we only making up 4% of trades?
Roles don't have a gender. Jobs don't have a gender. So don't let anyone tell you otherwise. If you're passionate about it, find a way in.
I'm very happy I came. It gave me a different outlook on the different trades that they offer here at NAIT. It let me see like what I did like and what I didn't like.